If you want to set up a lead magnet that delivers automatically, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to do it. No fluff, no wasted time. Stick around because I've tested the most popular platforms, and by the end, I'll tell you exactly what works best and how to set it up step by step in minutes. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the software we'll use, linked below, only for viewers of this channel. Here's the deal. If you have a lead magnet like a free PDF, checklist, or guide, you need it to be delivered instantly after someone opts in. That means no manual emails, no chasing replies, just a clean automated setup. Let's break it down. First, create your lead magnet. Keep it simple and valuable. Think one quick win for your audience. A one-page cheat sheet often works better than a 20-page ebook. Export it as a PDF. Next, we need an opt-in form that connects to an email automation. Inside the software we'll be using, just head to Forms and create a new one. Add the name and email fields, then set the confirmation or thank you page to trigger after submission. Now here's the automation part. Once your form is ready, go to Workflows or Automation and create a new one. The trigger should be Form Submitted. Once that happens, we want to send an email automatically with the lead magnet download link. Write a quick email inside the automation. Thanks for grabbing your name of lead magnet. Click here to download it. Then insert a link to your PDF. You can either upload it directly into the software or use a public Google Drive link. Either works. Add a short delay if you want it to feel more natural, maybe 1 minute after form submission. That's it. Turn the workflow on and you now have a lead magnet that delivers automatically every time someone opts in. Want to go one step further? Add a tag to that contact or trigger a follow-up email sequence to warm them up over the next few days. This is how you turn a simple freebie into a full customer journey on autopilot. The software we're using makes all this incredibly fast. No code, no tech headaches, just drag and drop. Again, I've tested the top tools. This one is the most intuitive, and there's an exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along. So what's the key takeaway? If your lead magnet isn't delivered instantly, you're losing trust and wasting leads. Automating this process doesn't just save time, it builds credibility and sets the tone for your entire brand. Quick recap. Create your PDF lead magnet, build a simple opt-in form, set up an automation triggered by form submission, send the download link automatically, and turn it on. Optionally, add a tag or follow-up sequence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along and get your lead magnet delivering on autopilot today.